Hey guys, welcome back. I've got a Honda snowblower here in the shop. A common question that I get is why isn't the auger lever staying down when I have the drive lever down? So I'll show you up close here what I mean. Usually on these Honda snowblowers, when you put down the drive and the auger lever will stay down until you release the drive, just like that. But in some cases, people put down the drive lever and the auger won't stay down, so they constantly have to stop to adjust the chute. Now, there's a simple fix to this repair, and I'll show you that right away. So what you need to do is come to the right-hand side part of the handlebars where the auger lever is. You're going to see this small cover here. There's a 10mm nut here that you need to remove, and this little bolt here. Now, this cover will come right off. Now, if your auger lever isn't staying down once you have the drive lever down, it's because this little part here is seized. On this machine, it's working fine, it's not seized, but I've had a lot of machines come in the shop where it's just seized there and doesn't move, and that's what's causing the problem. So here's a close-up view of how this little part works. I'm putting down the drive lever and now the auger lever, and you can see that it locks it in right there. And here's where it locks the lever. Now, once I release the drive lever, this little part will come back and let the auger lever go back up. Now, if I push down the drive lever again, the auger lever, it locks it up. It's that simple. Now, the remedy to fix this problem if it's seized is to spray some WD-40, liquid wrench, any kind of penetrating oil will work as well. Spray it right here, and you can do it as a preventive maintenance as well. And if your part is seized, you may have to work it back and forth. You may even have to heat this up slightly with your propane torch. But in the end, what you want is for this little part here to be moving freely like this. So when Honda snowblowers come in the shop here, what I do as part of the maintenance is I lube this part up like I just showed you. And I also spray a bit of this grease here as well. And I just spray it right in there. And you can be generous with the grease. It's going to prevent rust as well. And now it's never going to seize. So if you have a Honda snowblower, I highly recommend that you take this apart at least once a year, lube it up, make sure that little part is moving freely, and you'll never have any problems. And then I just tighten it up with my ratchet and socket. So that's it for this repair video, guys. Hopefully my video has helped you. If it has, please share it with your friends and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.